So welcome back to our channel One2Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add custom token in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you want to create a new custom token, then this video is for you. So once you're in this home page, just go ahead and scroll down and you can see the option that says manage crypto. Just tap there and now you can find all the cryptocurrencies and networks over here. So guys, we just need to go ahead and look up at the plus sign at the top right corner. So once you tap there, just go ahead and select the network. So let's say I'm going to select this one. So guys, all you need to do is customize your token. So add the contract address, the name of it, and the symbol and decimal, and you can tap on import over here, and in this way you can add custom token in Trust Wallet. So guys, that's how in Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.